Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have a wide selection of new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as it hits the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific truck with the full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2019 Ram 5500. Just the biggest, baddest boy you can see here. We got the dump bed on it. It's the Air-Flo dump body, which is extremely cool. We're going to do a quick walk around today and kind of show you the truck. If you have any questions, please call our team. We have a professional commercial team that does nothing but commercial trucks, can answer all your questions. As you're going to know, the front, we did put the option of the chrome front bumper on this. Really nice chrome front bumper with a really stout Ram logo there in the center. Going to have your large tow hooks located on the front also. And your 19.5-inch rims. Regular cab, as you see here, and it does have the 6.7-liter Cummins motor if you can't hear the thing. But I'll tell you what, for a diesel motor, this is one of the quietest diesel motors that's on the market today. So if you're looking for a diesel motor that's going to outperform all the competition, and then there again be one of the quietest ones, the Cummins diesel one is the one to have. 11-foot dump body, as you can see here. I dropped the tailgate so you guys can see. It has not been used. We do not use them. We will not use them until it hits your lot and you use it. No scratches on it. There's going to be zero rust in the bed when it gets to you. If we can prevent it, I should say. It does have a trailer tow hitch behind it. It's obviously the gate down low. You can't see it because it's blocking it. But it does right there. And it does have your 7-pin wiring hookup also back there also, which is another really nice feature. All in all, really hard vehicle to find. You know, we're one of the very few dealers around that'll actually upfit the chassis. Like, this is a chassis when it starts, put the upfit on it. What you see on our website is what you're going to buy. We're not going to tell you it's going to be 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 2 months before we can get the body. We have them in stock, ready to sell. Because we understand that your time is valuable, especially with being a business owner usually. You don't have time to wait around. You need the stuff now. So we try to stock it as best we can. As far as the truck goes, it does have power mirrors. As you can see there, power windows and power locks. Upgraded Ram work grade vinyl seating, which is a very nice feature. Storage behind the driver and passenger seating right there, as you can see. And obviously your controls to operate your dump body are located right there on the driver's side, which are very well done. They're out of sight, out of mind. You're not in a weird position like some people put them in. Automatic overhead headlights, as you can see there. This particular truck does have the Maxx Tow Package on it, which is another really nice feature considering it is a dump truck. On the steering wheel, you're going to have on the left-hand side up top here, you're going to have the controls to operate your hands-free capability when it comes to your cell phone. So you can program your cell phone directly into this truck. You no longer have to worry about answering your phone while driving on the road. Just hit the call button, or the phone button right here, I'm sorry, and you're gonna have your conversation directly through your speaker system. Great feature to have. These 4 buttons here, they're gonna operate your instrument cluster located right here, in between your RPMs gauge and your miles per hour gauge. Right now it's set on miles per hour, but it can be changed to coolant temp. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Average fuel economy, your trip, trailer tow information, what radio station we're on, and a bunch of other cool features built in there. Also on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you can change gears right here, and then you do have your cruise control located right above that. This particular vehicle is a push button start, which is another option from the factory. Simply take your key fob, put it in your pocket, forget about it, and just drive down the road. Push button 4-wheel drive. Obviously there is 4 high and 4 low, and of course neutral if needed. Push button radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. It does have media capability where you can download media into it if you'd like. And like I said, you can pair your phone right there. It has the compass option. If you get lost, I guess you need your compass. There it is. Your controls right here, these 3 buttons right here will operate your AC and heat system. Factory trailer brake control. We have 5 auxiliary ports right here with a PTO. Very nice feature to have. Exhaust brake right here, or trailer brake, not trailer brake, exhaust brake right there. Your trailer tow haul right there also. And then some plug-in capability located down here. A little bit of storage down there also, as you can see. No carpet on this floor, so it's real simple. You just take the power washer and you hose it out and you're good to go. Seating up to 3, as you see, so the center console does lay up if you need it for a 3rd person. Cup holders right here, and then also your center console for storage right there with a USB plug built right in there, and also your Air-Flo manufacturer operating and parts manual. So like I said, guys, we're one of the very few dealers out there that try to stock these upfitted trucks. We don't just have the chassis on the ground. This isn't just a picture. This is trucks actually here, along with many other commercial vehicles that we have on the ground. It is for sale. We're ready to deliver it to your business immediately. If you guys have any questions, please give us a phone call at 937-778-0830. If you want to see all the pictures of this specific truck and a full description of what the bed is exactly, and everything on the truck, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com, and you'll be able to find it under our new vehicles tab. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure you see all of our new arrivals, just like this Ram 5500 with the Cummins turbo diesel in here, 4-wheel drive. Just the biggest, baddest dump truck you can buy. And guys, keep in mind, this Ram, this diesel in general, is one of the quietest diesels on the market and one of the most powerful diesels on the market. So once again, if you're looking for an upfitted truck, whether it's a service body, a dump body, a flatbed, we have them in stock, ready for delivery. Please give us a phone call at 937-778-0830. Guys, we ship nationwide, so if you live in California and you need this to be in your business next week, we'll make it happen. Guys, for the guaranteed best price on any commercial vehicle on the market, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.